In this video, I'll guide you through how to keep Protonmail active by enabling the short domain feature in your account settings. We'll move slowly and clearly through each step so you can follow along on your own screen without missing anything. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. This is the official website where you always want to start, so you know you're logging in securely. Once the page loads, sign in with your Protonmail account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're on the main inbox view where you can see your messages and folders on the left. Now look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon which represents your settings. This is where Protonmail keeps all of the options that control how your account behaves. Go ahead and click that gear icon. If nothing seems to happen at first, give it a second to load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. After you click the gear icon, a small settings panel will appear. In that panel, you'll see some quick options, but for what we're doing, we need the full settings area. Find the option labeled All Settings and click on it. This will open the complete settings dashboard in a new view where everything is organized into sections on the left-hand side. Once you're in the full settings area, take a moment to look at the menu on the left. Protonmail groups related options together so things are easier to find. What you're looking for here is the section called Identity and Addresses. This is where you can manage how your email address appears and how messages are sent and received. Click on Identity and Addresses to open that section. When the Identity and Addresses page loads, you'll see details about your main email identity and possibly additional addresses, depending on your plan. Scroll or look carefully through this page until you find the area labeled Short Domain. The Short Domain feature allows you to use a shorter version of the Protonmail address, which can be easier to remember and can help keep your account in active use. Next to the Short Domain option, you should see a button or link that says Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. You may see a brief confirmation message, or the status might change to show that the short domain is now enabled. If Protonmail asks you to confirm the change, just follow the on-screen prompt and accept. Once it's activated, your Protonmail account is set up to use the short domain, and this helps ensure your address stays active and functional. It's a good idea to send a quick test email to yourself or from another account using the short domain just to confirm everything is working as expected. That's all you need to do. You went to protonmail.com, opened the settings with the gear icon, accessed all settings, navigated to Identity and Addresses, and activated the short domain option. If you ever need to review or adjust this, you can repeat these same steps and check the short domain section again.